The coming of the new year coincides with the year of the wolf, which is commonly known as the monkey of the year. The year of the monkey is one of the 12 years that almost all Cambodians remember and count fluently. How do you count the years of this Khmer animal? Is this counting of years a pure Khmer cultural heritage, or from which side? Researchers believe the animal can be traced back to China. However, it is not yet clear when the Cambodians started counting such years. Researcher in the human faith system, Professor Ong Chulin, says some countries in Southeast Asia use the animal year cycle 12 like this. He said that in Cambodia it is more commonly used than some other countries. If in the countryside, they ask what year was born. It does not mean that he was born in 1900, it means that he wiped the year of Chuit, the year of Chloe, the year of Kor. Automatically, the respondent also answers the year of rubbing, which means that it is in what we say by no need to think. The 12-year cycle begins with the dry year, the first year, and ends with the Kor year, or so-called shaving year, which is the 12th year. In that, they are counted in the following order. The year of Chuit corresponds to a mouse, the year of Arod corresponds to a cow, the year of Karl is a tiger, the year of Thou, the year of the rabbit is the year of the dragon, and the year of the snake is the year of the snake, the year of the mummy is the horse, and the year is the year of the goat. The year of the rooster, the year of the leopard, the year of the dog, and the year of the calf or the year of the pig. Professor Ang Chulin explains that while it is true that the year is associated with animals as a copy of Chinese culture, the use of words is a word. In the Khmer Mon language family, a large number of those words belong to the Mon Khmer tribe. I.M. Borin, Deputy Secretary General of the National and International Festival Committee, confirmed that the birth of the 12 years with animal names in it is likely from copying Chinese culture mixed with Khmer culture. But he said the names of the 12 Chinese animals that were counted for the 12 years were somewhat different and that the names were counted. Animals in the 12 years of Cambodia. The difference is that the Khmer Karl year represents the year of the tiger. But China is represented by a cat, and at the place of the Khmer New Year is represented by a cow, but China is represented by a buffalo give the year of the road. As Western-style counting of years became official, animal counting still dominated the rules. Astrology. Regarding the prediction of human characteristics by the year of the animal, the famous singer Mr. Sin Sisamut left a song corresponding to Ms. Rose Sarasothia as follows. I was born in the year of Kor. Professor Ang Chulin says that in predicting the year of the beast, it helps to know one's zodiac sign. Predictions from choosing a partner, from buying things, sometimes guessing about our zodiac sign this year. How is it? Any year it may be that it is not good, we have to relieve the disaster, somehow use the 12 years. So it is very popular. I look at our neighboring country, in Siam, they use it, but not to us. In that, the rules were added to each year with more elements. The 4 major elements are gold, earth, wood, fire, and water. Mr. Sin Sisamut also sang about dating, comparing the elements of these years. Sin Sisamut's song, Me, What Year Were You Born? In a French document written by French scholar Georges Seeds, researched and published in the 1930s, the year of the beast originated in China, saying that Khmer-Chinese relations have been going on for centuries, that is, a means of cultural transmission. This is not unusual. This research by the French scholar matched the words that Khmer people use with the words that some countries use to name the year. These include Thai and indigenous languages in Vietnam. This researcher found that there are many similar words and shows that the words that Khmer people use are close to the language in that Chinese language is more than what is used in Thailand today. However, the exact date on which the Khmer began to use the animal year has not yet been found. Professor Ang Chulin states that the first evidence of the use of the animal year is found in ancient Khmer inscriptions. How did it come about? We do not know for sure. We know that we see the word Karl in a 10th century inscription. What does that mean? It means that we started using it, not knowing if it was general, complete or a little bit, just that in the last century it was used today. It's soaked because it's been centuries. Documents compiled by French scholars say that inscriptions in later centuries also contain evidence of the use of this animal year. Also, comparing the use of words and inscriptions, Xerxes concludes that Cambodians have not borrowed this method for years from India or neighboring countries. There were Thailand, Laos, and Vietnam, which were newcomers in the 13th century, but it is likely that the Khmer gained Chinese influence through the tribes have close ties to China, and some remain in Vietnam. As for Professor Ang Chulin, he stated that until now, there has been no research to understand in depth the Khmer beliefs related to the year of the animal. These are still. I never seem to read that there is an explanation as to why they only take animals. This does not take that animal. Suppose that in those 12 years, it should be that there are elephants, it's not seen. There should be fish, it turned out not there are goats that are not abundant in Cambodia. He expects more studies on Khmer beliefs related to these animal years. Note to commenters in this article: in order to maintain our dignity, we will only post comments that are not offensive to others.